So did you plan on paying for the nails?
No.
You didn't plan on paying for the nails? No?
Not at all.
Why not?
Because I'm the queen. I don't need to pay for anything.
On September 6th, 2025, a Will County, Illinois officer responded to a retail theft call. What followed produced one of the cleanest evidentiary records that body-worn camera footage can generate. 3 statutory offenses, 4 claimed identities, and a complete confession, all preserved on camera in roughly 15 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, so what seems to be the problem?
So she came in for service and we done it when we go ahead and pay. She had 2 different cars and none of them work. And she claimed that she want to go look for her mom shopping. And I just follow her, keep her distance. And she just walked all the way over there and asked her where your mom shopping at. She's like, well, just call the cop there.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, my car's not going through. My mother just left. So.
Okay, so can you call your mother over here?
I don't have my phone's dead. And
Where's your mother shopping at?
she literally left. We were shopping over here. And
Literally left where? Dude?
Yeah.
How were you planning on contacting her if she just left?
I don't know. But I don't know what to do. So.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
No.
Don't?
I don't.
Yeah, nothing at all? No problem. Not a problem. Can I get your name?
It's Leona.
Spell it?
Leona.
Leelna.
Yeah,
And do you know the reason why your cards are declining at all?
no.
No? Okay. What is your mother's name?
Huh?
What's your mother's name? Is she anywhere in one of these stores, you
No,
hope?
she's not here anymore. She left me. She's mad at me, so.
Mad at you for what?
Huh?
Mad at you for what?
We just got in an argument.
Okay. Did she take your phone with? Did she take her phone with you?
Yeah,
With her?
Well, that's probably what my card's done.
She has asked. What is in the box?
I just got a bearded dragon.
Nice. So, did you just buy that?
Yep.
So you're to buy the bearded dragon, but it's declining
and
here?
then it declined here, so it's like, we got
Interesting.
an argument, so.
Interesting. Alright, well, just sit tight real quick. Do you know your mom's phone number?
No.
Not by heart?
Not by heart.
You don't know your mom's phone number? What about your phone number? If she has your
That.
if she has your phone, do you know?
It's 832. What's mom's name?
Yeah, what is mom's name?
Lauren.
Do you not know your mom's name? What's your mom?
Lauren.
Lauren.
Yeah.
Thank you. I was supposed to say hello. I didn't hear you say it.
Service is 120.
71.
120.
Oh, 120 of those.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna call it real quick. Hey, it's Cameron. Can you put me through to a number, please? Does your phone have service? Does your phone have service?
I don't have my phone.
No, I'm aware you don't have your phone. Does it have service? Like, can you call people from it?
No.
What is the point of me calling then? So your phone doesn't have service at all, and you can't call from it?
Mm-mm.
So even
I
if
just
you
use
did,
Wi-Fi.
oh, so even if you did have your phone, it wouldn't matter at all.
Yeah, no.
What card did you use to pay for your nails?
Well, I was with my mom, and then we bought those, and then.
Do you have the cards on you still?
No.
No.
Where are the cards at?
With my mom.
So
Is your mom in the store?
She asked me about a product.
You handed them cards.
yeah,
I handed her a card, and it's not going through, so
yeah.
Okay.
Where are those 2 cards at? Do you have them on you?
they're in my bag.
Can I see them?
No.
Okay, that's fine. No, not a problem at all. I gotta wait for him.
What were the... You said the name was what in the card?
Well, nickname is Haley.
54.
I don't know if you caught that or not, but the 2 cards that she tried didn't have her name on them.
Why are the 2 cards that you have not have your name on them?
Oh, they're my sisters.
Your sisters? And where's your sister at?
Like, home?
She live near?
No, not really.
What is not really? You're not helping
They live
yourself
in
here.
Stewart.
That's okay. That's still in the proximity. Do you have her phone number?
Nope.
I'm trying to help you out here, so
No, I don't have a
I would like a
phone.
little more
It's
cooperation.
okay.
I
I
get it.
literally just go to jail or whatever. I don't care.
For what? You don't have to if you can get someone to come and pay for it.
No, it's fine. I'm not gonna have anyone pay for my stuff. I can't pay for it. I don't care.
Well, if you...
You want my bearded dragon?
No.
Yeah, we're not getting
26.
it.
Alright, so... You don't have your sister's number. Do you have anybody else that you can call?
No.
No?
Sorry, no. I was young. Are you gonna be able to hold my bearded dragon?
No. No, we're not taking the bearded dragon.
You can't take my bearded dragon?
No. So, I'm trying to see the cards that you have and see why they're declining. That's the question. If your mom has access to the cards,
I already said I'm fine. I'm gonna go.
go where?
For jail.
Okay. For what?
Because it's not going through. I can't pay for it. So I'll
Yeah.
just go to jail. I don't fucking care.
Alright.
On the family name, is when I run it, it says suspected fraud.
No, it didn't. It said not a
Ma'am,
dumbass
listen,
fucking bitch.
she's talking to him.
Oh, yeah.
Quiet.
So let's get a
Anyway,
reaction now.
okay.
So if she's in possible possession of a stolen credit card, do you think that you have reason to search her bag? and
Yeah,
stuff like that?
No,
absolutely.
I'm not. You gonna make up lies about me?
Ma'am, let's not do all that. Alright, ma'am, if you don't mind, I'll like to search your bag so I can see for the cards. Do you have any weapons or anything in there besides the cards?
No.
No? Okay. Do you have anything on you at all? Do you have anything on you?
No.
Okay. And you said the cards are to your sister. What's your sister's name? Were you about to say you don't know?
Okay, I'm not speaking to you.
Okay, that's fine. Not a problem at all. Where do you keep the cards? Directly in the bag? It's a lot of stuff. What's all this right here?
Beats.
Yeah, I get that, but why do they still have the tags and everything on them? Okay.
Because I bought them.
Okay, did you buy them today?
No.
When did you buy them?
Anyway, I'm not speaking to you. I just speak to you.
Okay. Still just trying to help you out. So where are the cards at? Because they're not in your bag. Thank you. Not in this bag. Play soccer? Volleyball? No?
Yep.
Do you see what the cards? Did you give the cards back to her?
No, it's in my bag. So I don't know.
So she did give it back to you, that's-
Something in the trash, I don't know this.
I didn't throw anything in the trash. Oh.
Which trash did you possibly see her throw in?
I can't.
All the way over there? Okay.
You want to show me?
Yes.
So did you plan on paying for the nails?
No.
You didn't plan on paying for the
No.
nails? No?
Not at all.
Why not?
Because I'm the queen. I don't need to pay for anything.
So you didn't plan on paying for the nails at all?
I should be let go right now, actually. Just be like, have a great day, Leona.
For what?
Nice seeing you. I'm
Well,
like,
you
"Okay,
just
nice
got
seeing you,
service
officer."
done.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we wouldn't have
Have a
gotten
great
called
day.
if the whole card
As
went
you
through.
see me, like, oh, hey, you got it. You can leave.
Right.
Yeah, everything should be paid for. I shouldn't even have to say anything. I walk in, I get it paid for.
What'd you get the bearded dragon for?
For my spirit.
For your spirit?
Yep.
So, for some reason, your name isn't coming back. Are you giving me a fake name?
Nope, that's my name.
And it's spelled L-E-L-N-A? Just like that?
Yep.
And you sure you don't have a middle name?
Sure.
Okay.
Well, I'm new to the situation, so let me get your name and date of birth then. What's your first name?
Leona.
Spell it for me.
Leona.
Leona.
Yes.
What's your middle initial?
I don't have a middle name. That's my
Where have you had IDs out of?
Texas.
Just Texas?
Yeah.
Never Florida?
No.
Nowhere else? Okay. So I'm going to be honest with you. If he's already ran you and there's nothing coming back, and I run you and there's nothing coming back, you possibly have the risk of given false identification to LEO.
Okay, well,
We've already started with
changed
telling
my
me.
name. You can,
Yeah.
My first name is Irene, but I changed it, so
Okay, so how do you spell your first name then?
Irene.
Irene.
Yeah,
And you sure you don't have a middle name?
it's Leona.
So Irene Leona.
Keep in mind, I did have you spell it twice, and you didn't come up with Leona.
Yeah, but that's my name. I go by Leona. Everyone knows my name. Literally everyone.
I don't know your name.
You
I don't know who you are.
You know your name. My name. Everyone knows my name.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never seen you in my life. That's why I'm... Alright, ma'am. Do me a favor. Go and stand up and put your hands behind your back. Alarm. Come on this way.
You can't take my bearded dragon?
Oh, we'll worry about your bitter dragon in a little bit.
Will you get my stuff too?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank
Alright, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to have an attorney with you prior to, during, or after any questions. If you cannot afford an attorney and desire one, the court will appoint one for you. You may stop the questions at any time by refusing to answer further, by requesting consult your attorney. With that in mind, will you answer any of my questions? No. Okay. It's not a problem.
The first legal issue is theft by deception under Section 16-1 of the Illinois Criminal Code. That statute requires 3 elements: knowing control over another's property, obtained through deception, with intent to permanently deprive. All 3 elements were satisfied the moment the subject stated on camera that she never intended to pay. This statement was spontaneous, voluntary, and made before any custodial interrogation began. Under the Supreme Court's 1966 decision in Miranda v. Arizona, the warning requirement attaches only when a suspect is both in custody and being interrogated. Neither condition was present here. The admission is fully admissible at trial. The second issue is credit and debit card fraud under Section 17-1 of the same code. 3 cards were presented during the encounter. None bore any name the subject offered to officers. When asked to identify the cardholder she claimed was her sister, she could not produce a name. Under the Supreme Court's 1983 decision in Illinois v. Gates, probable cause is determined by the totality of the circumstances: declined cards in unmatched names, no claimed authorization, and an inability to identify the purported owner. That totality is satisfied. The third issue is obstructing identification under Section 31-4.5. 4 identities surfaced during a single lawful detention: Lelna, Leona, Irene, and Rihanna Thornton. The detention itself was lawful from first contact under the Supreme Court's 1968 decision in Terry v. Ohio. The store's call, the declined cards, and the subject's presence on scene established the reasonable, articulable suspicion that Terry requires. Under the Supreme Court's 2004 decision in Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District, a lawfully detained individual may be required to identify themselves accurately. Each subsequent false name is an independent, knowing violation, not a continuation of the first. The bag search was constitutionally valid on a separate, well-established basis. Under the Supreme Court's 1973 decision in Schneckloth v. Bustamonte, voluntary consent eliminates the warrant requirement entirely. The subject verbally consented on camera. Retail security tags observed inside fall within the lawful scope of that search.
So, she will be going to jail because she did confess to me that she was not going to tend to pay for it. She was just going to walk in and walk out. That's all she said to me, though. And we'll go from there. I'm going to be doing the report for it, as well as taking her to jail for it. Okay?
Yes.
As for the money, we shall see. I'll give you a case card number. You can go through with that situation with seeing the report if you want to do what you need to do as civilian-wise.
Yeah.
But she will be going to jail today, okay?
I don't think I can get the money back anyway.
Yeah.
But the thing I'm worried is like, it looks like she's a theft, like credit card theft or something. And
Yeah, so we're looking at the cards that
that's
she's...
what I'm worried about. I want to go and get the pictures and so you can investigate for her.
Yeah, absolutely, no, for sure. And that's what we're currently working on, so we shall go from there. She does have a lot of items.
6309. She
6309.
used this one.
And that is not in her name. They're both in two separate names.
Yeah, they are.
She told you that they were her sisters, but she wouldn't give you her sister's name.
Yeah. Yeah, she gave me Layla.
No.
Yeah, I heard him.
She was at Will County.
Yep, she was out with County.
This morning, gave false name, and then became irate.
She just gave me that first name that you took from her. She didn't give me that at first.
Yeah, well, we already have her on that. That's all Walmart stuff. I texted Jeff to see if
He's missing.
he hasn't responded back to me. The red debit card is what she used to pay for the bearded dragon. That's not in her name.
And the first card she gave me, the red credit card, had a Kenny name on it. So
Okay.
I got it, and it's run like suspected fraud.
Okay.
And she gave me another one, a Discover card, and it said decline, but the Discover has a different name on it.
Okay, but she told you that her name was Kaylee when you asked what it was,
Yes.
but she had signed in under a different name?
Yes.
Unfortunately, it's very cute. I would love to take it into evidence, but I can't. So we have to return it. I feel bad for the little fella.
I knew something was up. It's beauty, justice.
Was she acting weird or anything like that towards you guys, or?
She was out of it. Plus, she came in without pants at one point.
Oh. Do you have that on camera?
That I don't, unfortunately.
Like completely, like without any pants on?
The girls in grooming said she had like a white micro bikini bottom on. I said all I saw was cheeks. Yeah.
What time did she come in here for that? I'm sorry.
She was in at about 1 o'clock, and then she bought that beardy right around 5:50.
So she's came in at 1:05.
Yeah. She had like a soccer ball on in her bag too, I bet. Yep.
Did she have to tell you what her name was?
Actually, yes, we created an account for her.
What account? What did she put under?
That was just her name and phone number.
What name did she use?
Leanna Thornton?
Okay, so she used
Okay, and then so she used a stolen card for this one?
correct.
Officer Cameron receives a B+. His investigative sequencing was textbook. Reasonable suspicion before consent, consent before search, probable cause before arrest, and Miranda before any post-custody questioning. The deduction reflects a single procedural gap. The scope of the bag search was not formally restated on camera before execution. The subject receives a D. She committed the offenses, admitted to them on camera, and offered 4 separate identities. She invoked her Fifth Amendment right to silence only after delivering the most damaging admission possible. She avoids an F solely because she did not physically resist arrest. 4 lessons emerge. First, spontaneous statements made before arrest carry no Miranda protection. Second, using another person's financial instrument without documented authorization creates immediate probable cause for fraud. Third, every false name during a lawful stop is a separate chargeable offense, not a continuation of the first. Fourth, invoking the right to silence is always correct, but only if it comes before the confession, not after. Let us know in the comments which interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police and court interactions.